shot pocket, which players, as the one you're seeing here, practiced for years and years to get this
Jerry West
to a lock. And that's what the wrist joint has to do to follow suit with the elbow and shoulder, which both are strong joints. The wrist is a weak joint and it collapses inward from the pinky naturally. What this shooter did, and did it to a point of reference, is that the two fingers that he shoots with are behind the forearm, behind the ball. When he shoots the ball, the two fingers right here at the highest point, they're going to scrape the ceiling. And this is a reference point that shooters can use now, that by looking at this, we can say, what's the determinant of him being so successful? One, the two fingers are behind the forearm. Two, they're still behind the forearm at release. And three, at follow through in front of the forearm, they're in front of the forearm. So we can see that he gets this basket, and we're going to go back and take a look at this structurally so that when a player goes to practice, they know the determinants of what posturally is done. Posturally, this shooter did this. One, by getting our two fingers behind the forearm, it heightens them, the middle finger being higher. It so strategically heightens them. By keeping the two fingers behind the forearm, now at ceiling scrape, they're still heightened, which is a phenomenal platform for the release of the ball, which is an unknown area right now, instantly, for someone to come in and consult and say, here's what's wrong. What happens is that the fingers are unequal, but when they go behind the forearm, they aren't. It strategically tilts that middle finger so the index is the same height. This is what this player was able to make sure happened with the middle and index finger release. So the two fingers are the same height behind the forearm, they're the same height at the top of the forearm, and they're the same height at follow through in front of the forearm, which is a perfect platform. And this